part 4 of Women from Irish Myths and Legends, and thank you for this suggestion. Brigid is a great one to share today on St. Patrick's Day, because she is also a saint. Maybe. It depends on who you ask. There is an ancient Irish goddess, Brigid. There is also the Christian Saint Brigid of Kildare. And there is debate over whether or not these two Brigids are actually the same person. Some theorize that Saint Brigid was a real person who happened to be named after the goddess Brigid. Others say that the Christian saint was not a real person and was instead a way for the Christians to convince pagans to join the church. Basically saying, we'll still celebrate this goddess you love, we're just going to call her a saint instead. It's always difficult to know these things for certain because the ancient pre-Christian traditions and beliefs weren't written down. So we can only go based off of texts written way after the older pagan beliefs had largely faded away. And these texts were often written by Christian monks. Both the goddess and the Saint Brigid are associated with poetry, blacksmiths, healing, livestock, and February 1st. For the goddess, this was part of Imbolc, which marks the halfway point between the winter solstice and the spring equinox and the first signs of spring. While for the saint, it's her feast day. And this only recently became a public holiday in Ireland, meaning you get work and school off. Huge deal, because it's the first public holiday in Ireland named after a woman. Regardless of what you believe, you can celebrate St. Brigid's Day or Imbolc by making a Brigid's cross out of rushes. But today, happy St. Patrick's Day and happy Women's History Month.